Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, and today we are talking about SuspensionMAXX sway bar end links. If your truck has a ton of miles on it, maybe you lifted it, maybe you leveled it, and you're starting to get some creaks, maybe the body roll isn't quite as under control as it used to be, chances are it's probably time for some sway bar end links. This is especially going to go out to you guys if you've lifted or leveled your truck more than maybe 3 to 4 inches. A lot of times those sway bars wear out faster and those bushings are fairly tatered fairly quick. This is where SuspensionMAXX comes in and makes a very, very high quality unit. They've got end links for whether you're stock height, lifted, or leveled. You just got to make sure and measure correctly. If you're not sure how to measure, we have a little diagram on the page, but the long short of it is basically you're measuring from the center mounting point on top and the center resting point on bottom with the truck on level ground and the sway bar sitting parallel to the ground. So if your bushings are worn out, or maybe you've got some sway bar end links that aren't quite doing the job for you anymore, make sure and check out SuspensionMAXX sway bar end links. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We've got sales technicians on the phones 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. You can also use the chat feature on the website, email, social medias, whatever works best. We'll get you the information you need. And don't forget, these are made in America, and chances are we got them on the shelf. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.